Okay, let's go to the unboxing. This is a Ruger Super Hawk air pistol, and I got it for 45 bucks on clearance. Okay. Hello mga ka-AG. So, may bago na naman akong air gun. Actually, air pistol, air revolver. Dagdag sa collection ko. Now this is from Ruger. I think in partnership with Umarex. So, wala ako sa Pinas, nasa Texas ako. Medyo lumalamig na yung panahon dito, so hindi na preferred ang CO2. Ipapark ko na mga CO2 airguns ko, kaya kailangan gawan ko na ng video. Tanungin natin si Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather today? Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now in Cyprus, it's 59 degrees with clear skies and sun. Throughout the day you can expect more of the same, with a high of 83 degrees and a low of 59 degrees.
Okay, so 59 degrees Fahrenheit yan, hindi Celsius, so malamig na yan. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, first time that I've seen a revolver that comes with a speed loader. Speed loader. Okay, nice. Allen wrench, instructions, Ruger Super Hawk, and the actual, oops, there's another, yeah, actual gun. It's heavy. Ruger Super Hawk, Ruger with Picatinny rail on top for optics. Okay, let's take a closer look. It says here open, and then fire and safe. Fire and safe. That's a safety. Oh, this is safe. Going that way, you cannot pull the trigger. Fire, double action, single action. Okay, open the cylinder, push forward, eject. Okay, let's load. CO2, loosen it. 12 gram CO2. Pel gun oil. This will help the seal and make your air gun last longer. Drop it in, tighten, and we'll pierce it. You hear that? That's it. Then need some pellets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shooters. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's use the speed loader. So when you have extra, that's it, it's locked. Okay, There you go, it's easy. This thing's loaded, put it on safe. Safe direction, barrel is recessed. You see the... Okay guys, we're all set. 2 cameras, 1 GoPro, and then 1 camcorder. Don't forget your eye protection because we're shooting BBs. Okay, so Ruger Super Hawk CO2 air gun, air pistol with Vortex Viper red dot. See, let's do a single action first. So I'm gonna shoot inside the house with open doors because this gun is loud. Okay, let's see. Revolver grip. I'm shooting high. Okay. Okay, I need to zero the red dot. Okay, before we test this outside, I have this laying around, Vortex Viper. We'll have CO2, Coke can, Mountain Dew. Okay guys, we're all set. 2 cameras, 1 GoPro, and then 1 camcorder. Don't forget your eye protection because we're shooting BBs. Okay, so Ruger Super Hawk CO2 air gun, air pistol with Vortex Viper red dot. See, let's do a single action first. So I'm gonna shoot inside the house with open doors because this gun is loud. Okay, let's see. Revolver grip. I'm shooting high. Okay. Okay, I need to zero the red dot. Okay, so I definitely recommend this gun for plinking and target shooting or even firearms training because it operates the same way as a real revolver. So at this distance, this is around 10 yards. The CO2. There you go, I hit it. How about the cans? Oh, hit it. Hit. 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 Nah. Okay, one more time. As long as I still have CO2, Coke can, Mountain Dew. Okay, let's finish the CO2 of the Ruger Super Hawk BB air pistol or air revolver. Okay. So I think 15 meters, 15 yards is too much for a pistol or revolver air gun. 5 to 10 yards is okay. Single action. Done.